Okay, so this is a planet necklace. Really cool for teachers, kids, people who work at science museums, space enthusiasts. If you happen to have a friend or family member who works at NASA, this would be a perfect gift. Nobody really knows anybody who works at NASA. I do, though, believe it or not. I know somebody who did a NASA internship. She loved it. So, the store is called Aeolix Boutique. Straight out of China, on Amazon. This is the only one of its kind. Let's get a look and see what it really looks like inside. Comes in this little black velvet bag, nicely made. There we go. Alright, let's get a look at this. Oh, wow. I like the colors. The metal looks kind of cool too. It looks like a patina bronze. Let me get it out of the bag. Initially, I was thinking I would have to take the planets off of the metal. I kind of expected a really cheap metal that would look awful and need to be replaced, but this actually looks cool. This is a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. I also expected these to be one-sided. Oh, wow, this is glass. I thought it was going to be one-sided epoxy. I really like the way this one came out. I'm happy with this. My word, I love it. Wow. Aw, Earth looks so cute. Can you see that? Really pretty colors. Well, all 8 planets are accounted for. I'm not going to make any comment on the Pluto controversy, but this is a pretty cool necklace overall. These are really thick. Look at this. Sturdy. Good attachments to each bead. The metal itself is nice enough looking so that I don't have to restring it on something better. This really is so much nicer than I thought it would be. And it's just totally cool. Nobody else is going to have a necklace like this. So, yeah, if you or someone you know is a space enthusiast, this is a surprisingly cool gift. It's not expensive either. Comes in this nice little black velvet bag with satin tie at the top. This would make a nice gift for under $15 on Amazon. And I'm going to include the link to the necklace in the title of this video, but this is the only one of its kind on the internet. I love it. Can't wait to wear it.